Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about filter, like how to use filter in Excel. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my Excel sheet. So here I have uh, I have copy pasted some data here. So here we are having ID and we are having name. And we are having type 1, type 2, which is specific the grass, fire, water, bug, normal. And type 2 will be having poison, flying. And we are having a total of numbers. Each name will be having total numbers. So now, I want to filter it I want to filter it only bug. I want to filter the data. So where the people having only bug. So the name which is having only bug, I want to filter out. So how can you filter out? So first of all, you have to select like this. You have to select like this and you have to go to the sort and filter, right? You have to click on this and here you will be having the filter option, right? Just click on filter. So after clicking on the filter, then you will be having this options. You'll be having this drop downs. So you'll be having this drop down for the every column. So in this, I want column C and I want to filter the bug data. So just click on this here and you have to unselect all and you want bug, right? So then you have to click on bug and click on OK. See, we got only bug data. We got only bug data. So you have a doubt, right? Like now you will be having some doubt. So we have filtered the bug data. So, but where are the data which we the previously data where it gone? We have we have copy pasted some data, right? So where it gone? It is not deleted. It is not deleted, but it is hidden. But it is hidden. So to get the previous data normally, then you have to select all and click on OK. Then you will be having your previous data. Then you will be having your previous data. So you can filter it. And you can filter it by using poison also. You click on poison, then the poison data will be filtered. The poison data will be filtered. So in this way, we can filter it. And if you want whole data, just on click on select all and click on OK. Then your whole data will be appear on the sheet, Excel sheet. So based upon your requirement, based upon your column, you have to select it and you have to filter it. Like filter your data. Filter your data. So if you want to if you want to unselect the filter, so just you have to click on it and just click on this filter again. Then your filter will be gone. So, so this is what filter. And if you want shortcut for this filter, so the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus L. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus Shift plus L. Control plus Shift plus L. So what you have to do is just select like this and press Control Shift L. See, we got filter, right? We got filter. So the same thing you can do it by using Control Shift plus L. So I want no fire. So click on OK. Then you will be having the fire data, right? Right? And you want all the data, just click on select all and click on OK. Then your previous data will be on the sheet. So I hope you understand how to use filter. So if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.